friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Destiny 2 the Witch Queen low FPS drop problem in Windows 10 and 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, update your graphic card drivers. Right click on start menu, click on device manager. You can see here display adapter. Double click on display adapter. You can see here graphics, right click on graphics and click on update driver. After complete the driver update, then close it. Close unnecessary background task. Go to the task manager. You can see here background processes. Close background process. For example, Google Chrome. Select and right click. Click on end task. After that, close this. Reset your Explorer. Right click on start menu. Click on task manager. Here you search Windows Explorer. Right click on Windows Explorer and click on restart. Then close it. Change power plan. Go to the control panel. Here you select power option. Here you select high performance. Then close it. After doing this, check your problem solved or not. If not, if you're facing same error, then reinstall your game, fix your problem. Thanks for watching, friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.